Hello everyone! Today we will be introducing the KNZD41 alarm system to you. Control room to station call. We will first be showing you a scenario of a call between the control center and one of the stations. Alarm simulation. In the second scenario we will be showing you, we will break the glass to demonstrate how the terminals and system work. Connected alarms. The third scenario involves our connected alarms. As you can see, the KNSP19 alarm was triggered by the KNZD41 alarm. Function interface. Log in to the interface to manage the entire system and view the status of all terminals. Green indicates that a terminal is on standby. Yellow indicates a warning. Fault simulation. Here we will be showing you how you can view the real-time status of terminals when wires are being plugged in or pulled out. Connecting calls. Here we are using KNZD41 for a call to another terminal, KNSP19. Once the green light flashes, we can pick up the phone for calls to other terminals. Our alarm systems are widely used in mine tunnels in various countries around the world, such as India, Singapore, Australia, Greece, and South Africa. This concludes today's introductory video. Please visit our website for more details on our system. Thank you for watching.